Good morning, students of class 8. In the period of geometry, exercise 18A is continue, and in this exercise today we are going to solve question number 4. In question number 4, the side of a square is 18 meter. Find the perimeter and area. The side, given information, at first we write the given information. The side of a square equal to 18 meter, and we are asked to find out the perimeter and the area. The perimeter of the square you know the formula, 4 into side. It means sum of all the sides, so there are 4 sides, so 4 into side equal to 4 into 18 meter equal to 72 meter. The second is the area of the square. Area of the square equal to side square, and side is 18 meter whole square. So 18 into 18, that is equal to 8 8 ja 64, 6 8 1 ja 8 and 6 14, 1 8 ja 8, 1 1 ja 1, plus 4 8 4 ja 8 4 12 and 3 equal to 324 meter square. These two are the answers. Perimeter 72 meter and the area 324 meter square. The next question number 5. In this we are asked to find out the area of the triangle whose base is 20 centimeter and the height is 15 centimeter. So we write the formula at first. The area of the triangle is equal to half into base. B is the short form of base. Base into height. B for base, H is for height. So 1 by 2 into 28 centimeter into 15 centimeter. So we cancel it. This became 210 centimeter square. Area of the triangle equal to 210 centimeter square. In question number 6, the question is two sides of a triangle are 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. I have drawn one triangle ABC whose sides are, this BC is 8 centimeter and AB is 10 centimeter. And then if the height of the triangle corresponding to the side of the length of 8 centimeter is 7 centimeter, this is the height that is corresponding to the length 8 centimeter. Means this line is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. So this AD is the height regarding BC. Means 7 centimeter is the height regarding 8 centimeter. Then our question is the area of the triangle. Roman number 1, there are two questions. Roman number 1, the area of the triangles and the height of the triangle corresponding to the side of length 10 centimeter. So first of all we write the given informations. In triangle, if we have drawn the triangle, then we write about the triangle. In triangle ABC, BC equal to 8 centimeter, AB equal to 10 centimeter, and that height AD is equal to 7 centimeter. Then Roman number 1, the area of the triangle, equal to half into base into height. Half base will be 8 centimeter and height is, regarding this base, height is 7 centimeter. So if you calculate this, you are getting 28 centimeter square. This is the first answer. And the question Roman number 2. In Roman number 2, the height of triangle corresponding to the side of length 10 centimeter. Suppose this is the height. This is the height. Here we can give the name E. This point is E. So here is 90 degree. Height is always perpendicular to the base. In this, we are asked to find out the height of the triangle corresponding to the side 10 centimeter. Means corresponding to side AB, height is CE. So for that we write the area of the triangle equal to formula half into base into height. We know the area that we have got already, 28 centimeter square, that is equal to half, and base is AB, that is 10 centimeter, and height is asked to find out. So by cross multiplication we are getting 10 centimeter into H equal to this became 56 centimeter square. 28 into 2 equal to 56 centimeter square, implies that H equal to 56 by 56 centimeter square by 10 centimeter. So this will be 5.6 centimeter. This centimeter, this square cancel, only centimeter will be left, and due to this 10 decimal will come after one digit. So the answer will be 5.6 centimeter. That is the height regarding side AB, corresponding to side AB. This is the second answer.